Hi everybody. Of course, I love everything about fall. I love the crisp air and I love the changing of the leaves. So what a great way to celebrate your love for this season than making these wonderful DIY mason jar vases. Now, I saw something similar on Etsy. They were super expensive. I'm going to show you how to make this on a budget.
To make your DIY fall mason jar vases, start with mason jars and pick chalk paint in the fall colors you like. Take a brush and start painting the mason jar. Paint the base and then around the neck of the jar. Then start painting the other jars different colors. I chose this pumpkin color. Then green, and a variety of colors. While those are drying, use stencils to paint letters on wide burlap ribbon. I first cut the burlap ribbon to fit around the jar. Then I took stencil letters and used a stencil brush to paint the letters. Make sure the brush is nearly dry before you dab the paint, and dab over and over until it spells out the letter. Do the same for every letter you want to spell out. For this one, I'm spelling out thanks. Now I take my burlap ribbon and wrap it around the jar. This ribbon had adhesive on the back. Then take twine and tie off around the neck. Place it out in order, and then I added some yellow dry leaves. You have this wonderful mason jar collection. Next, I used larger mason jars to make the fall themed mason jar collection. I picked more fall leaf colored paint. I used stencils to spell out fall on larger burlap ribbons. Once done, I used a glue gun to wrap it around the jars. Then I topped it off with twine to make a bow around the neck. I added some greens in the jars and have this wonderful fall planter.
Thank you so much for watching. Of course, if you want more ideas like this, just make sure you subscribe to our channel. Give us a thumbs up. That's really helpful. Share this with your friends and turn on those post notifications so you can see next time we post a new video. Bye.